Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back and thanks for your continued love and support. Today I'm making crispy fried chicken wings and chips. I already cleaned the chicken wings, so I start by seasoning the wings. I'm using rosemary, thyme, coriander, cumin, paprika, garlic, and vegeta. Please find the detailed list in the description box below. I let this marinate in the fridge for an hour or two. I now start cooking the chips in batches until everything is cooked. While these are cooking, I prepare the coating by combining plain flour, cornstarch, black pepper, and salt. I cover the wings with the coating, shake off excess flour and set them aside. Once the chips is done, I let the oil heat up and start frying the chicken wings. I fry them in little batches without overcrowding the pan until all wings are cooked. I flip the wings a couple of times while cooking until both sides are golden brown. After the first batch of chicken is cooked, I place the cooked wings on paper towels to drain excess oil. Then I let the oil heat up again and continue this process with the remaining chicken pieces. The kitchen smells so good at this point. The chicken is now ready. It was delicious and moist on the inside and crispy on the outside. We had it with chips, but it can also go well with wedges or salad. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below and tap the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming recipes. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video.